S.K. Srivastava, Dronacharya Group of Institution, Greater Noida. Now in this video, I am giving you important tips for engineering entrance examination. I have chosen a very important topic, that is called your reflection. So what is the reflection? When a light is incident on a surface and it is sent back on a same surface or in same medium, then it is known as your reflection of light. The reflection of light having two laws: the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal to the surface at that point of the incidence all are lie on a same plane. The second rule is the angle of incidence I is equal to the angle of refraction. Now the formation of the image by the plane mirror. I have sent you through figure. The image formed I has following characteristics. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object. The object distance is equal to the image of the distance, that is OM, that is equal to the MI. The image is virtual and erect. When a mirror is rotated through a very small angle, the reflected ray is rotated through twice of this angle. The reflection of light from a spherical mirror. What is a spherical mirror? If you take a hollow sphere and cut into a part, then you get a spherical mirror. They may generally be constructed by the glass, or nowadays is also be constructed by the plastic. The reflection at a spherical mirror also takes a place in accordance with the law of the reflections. The sign conversion. I have shown you the sign conversion through this figure. The incident of the light is coming through the mirror in this x-axis direction. The distance against the incident light is always in a negative. The distance against the incident light is always in a positive along the distance. If it is in an upward direction, then it is a positive, and if it is in a downward direction, then it is a negative. So through this figure we can be understand better. Now the focal length of the spherical mirror. What is the focal length? The distance between the focus and the pole of the mirror is called the focal length of the mirror, and it is represented by your F. The focal length of the concave mirror is negative and that of the convex mirror is positive. The focal length of a mirror is equal to the half of the radius of the curvature. F is always equal to the R by 2. This is R is the radius of the curvature. Now what is the principal axis of the mirror? The straight line joining to the pole and the center of the curvature of a spherical mirror, that is known as your principal axis. In this figure, this is your principal axis. This is your mirror, right? F is your focus. C is the center of the curvature, that is on 2F. This is your F, right? Now the mirror formula. The mirror formula is your 1 upon F, that is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. Through this figure, I want to explain you where is U, where is V, and where is F. So U is the distance of the object from the pole to the mirror. This is U. This is your object. Yes, red arrow is your object and this distance is your U. V is the distance of the image from the pole to the mirror. Yes, this is your V. The image is formed here at a small arrow. F is the focal length of the mirror. Here F is your focal length. The formula is your 1 upon F, that is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. Now one important another formula, you will find the numerical on this formula also, that is your magnification, right? The previous formula you will also got the numerical on the same formula, right? You will also got the numerical from this formula. So what is the magnification? It is defined as the ratio of the size of the image to that object, right? I is the size of the image, O is the size of the object, the magnification M is positive, right? For the image of the real air or inverted. So magnification M is negative, then this shows this is the virtual and a mirrored image. So M is equal to I upon O. This is the formula of your magnification. Then it means that I upon O is equal to minus V upon U. Okay, so this is the small description about the reflection. Now thanks a lot all of you. Thank you.